Hi everyone, in this video we're going to learn about castling, one of the most important special moves in chess. Castling is the only move where two pieces move at the same time, your king and one of your rooks. It's a defensive move to protect your king and also bring your rook into the game. When you castle, your king moves 2 squares to the left or right, and then the rook jumps over to the side of the king. You can castle on the king side, which is usually shorter and faster, or on the queen side, which is a bit longer but can be more aggressive. But here are a few important rules. First, neither the king nor the rook involved can have moved earlier in the game. Second, all the squares between the king and the rook must be empty. Third, the king cannot be unchecked, cannot move through a square that is attacked. Also, you cannot end up unchecked after castling. If any of these conditions are broken, you cannot castle. Castling is important because it gets your king out of the center where it's vulnerable and puts it behind pawns for safety. At the time, it activates your rook, bringing it closer to the center, where it can be more useful. That's why most players try to castle earlier in the game. So remember, castle early keeps your king safe and get your rook into play. Mastering this simple move will make your chess game much stronger. Thanks for watching, and good luck in your next match.